Okay, so this is changing the topic of a different type of trust where a lot of people are very interested because they want to get government benefits, such as long-term care and something called Medicaid and Medicaid. So
Mhm.
let's talk a little bit about Medicaid trust. So what is the name for Medicaid trust?
There's no specific name necessarily. It's not about the name of the trust, it's about the language within the trust and about giving up the control. So as I mentioned earlier, with a Medicaid trust, the reason you get the benefit of Medicaid is because you're able to show that you don't have control over your assets. Because if you did have control over your assets, you would use those to pay your medical bills. But we're showing the government that we don't have control of these assets. Our children do. They're managing them for our benefit while we're alive, but we don't have control, and therefore we can't use that asset to pay our medical bills. So we're very lucky in New York that we have this option because it does preserve and protect the asset. Because if I worked all my life and I've been able to buy this house and I want my children to benefit from it, but I need medical care and I don't want to spend every last dollar to pay for it, I could put it into an irrevocable Medicaid trust and preserve it for my family while still getting the benefit of Medicaid. So it's a beautiful option. Not every state has it. So people who want to take advantage of it, we definitely can do that through the Medicaid trust.